Okay, let's try getting in the house this way. Just going down Laurel. Oh, there's a water main broken over there, shooting water out. Tree must have fallen on it. Most of these plastic fences, these actually are in pretty good shape. There's one bunch of them around a mobile home. Oh, well, as soon as I said that, but where every one of them was down around the mobile home. So far, we're doing okay, but we don't know yet, because that was a huge pine tree that was blown over, which is the kind of pine tree that I told Misha I didn't think blew over like that. So I was wrong, and hopefully we're okay. How do you get? Oh, there's the other one's open. Oh, this one's open. Okay. All right. There's Andy cleaning up already. A couple mailboxes bent sideways. Oh, come on, please don't. Why don't they look like they're standing? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, in front of our house. No, it's still standing. Looks like all the big, we're lucky there. Okay, to be continued.